read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying our video lectures. Today, we taught to the students number 0. There is nothing to count. Means 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. How to write it? Start from the dot, go round, round, round and stop. It will make number 0 and the basket is empty because 0 means nothing. Because 0 means nothing. Now, number in words. Z-E-R-O. 0. बच्चे को लिखना सिखाएंगे 0 के स्पेलिंग्स. Z-E-R-O 0. और आज कुछ भी टेबल पे नहीं रखेंगी और आप पूछेंगी आप मुझे बताओ टेबल पे कितने स्पून्स हैं, कितनी पेंसिल्स हैं, कितने इरेजर्स हैं. There is nothing on the table. Table is empty. So 0 means nothing. After that, riddle and story. I hope so. You got my point and learned that how we have to teach number 0. Khuda Hafiz.